For the first time I say it here on the channel in a video where profit from it is free. The profit in today's video is easier than drinking water. The easiest thing any of us can do is drink water and breathe. So without money and without much talk, the profit today is very easy, and withdrawing the profits directly at the same time. When you earn, your profits go to the wallet. I mean, you don't even need to click on the word withdraw. Any profit you make goes to the wallet directly. I mean, you currently don't even need to work. I mean, you currently don't even need to withdraw your profits. Once you work, the profit goes to your wallet. And alright, I have been working on how to make money, how to watch ads, advertisements that appear in front of you, link shortcuts that you pass. Once you make this profit, it will go to your wallet and it will be in a lot of currencies. I will tell you the best way to make the most profit initially. And before I explain the site to you, you must go to the link that is available in the description. When you register in the Al Fawzat B wallet, you will register an account on the website. You will also register an account on the Al Fawzat B wallet from which you withdraw your profits directly. Tag that you received the email from the Al Fawzat B wallet, because in this case you are linking the Al Fawzat B wallet to the site that we will be working on. Today, any profit you make directly goes to the wallet, and this is what I will do with you today, and you will see it yourself in the video. Now, this is the first profit I withdrew from the site, and withdrew it in the Solana currency. Okay? Abu Malik, why did you withdraw it in the Solana currency and not withdraw it with USDT? I will tell you now. We will explain the important thing that I will make any profit now that it will be written here, that it will be planted immediately in my wallet from which the corruption will be deposited. After that, you will withdraw on Vodafone Cash in the same way that I will hear to you in the description. I told you how you will register in Beyonce in order to withdraw from it on Vodafone Cash, and now it will work. On the website, you withdraw your profit from FastPay on Binance, and then on Vodafone Cash. All of this does not take you a few seconds. To make sure of this, look with me for this value of the Solan currency, the Fast My Wallet. After a minute, when you click on the link in the video description, it will open. You have the site as you see it, and you will immediately click on the word Get Started. Of course, as you see, the site has opened another advertising page with us, and this is the profit of the site. The site earns from the ads that you click on or see, and between them you will make your profit. When I click on the word Get Started, open another page, close it, and it will return to your site normally. Look, I will write to you here. What is the FastPay email? The email you will use to create a wallet on FastPay will be written here. I will see it for you in the video description. The website link, Binance explanation link and registration in Binance in order to withdraw your profits from the FastPay on Binance, and the link to FastPay with which you will register an account in order to withdraw from the site on FastPay. Okay guys? Very good. So here you will put the right hand on your FastB and then go to I am Note Arbitrator and then go to Get Started. Immediately, that's it. You created an account on the site. You don't need anything sweeter than that. After you register on the site, it will be with you like this. You will find here Home Faust Shorts and Logout. Of course, these two betrayals are the ones in front of you. You will find the Faust here, and you will also find the Faust here. These are the advertisements that appear in front of you, from which the site earns. Of course, you will find here the right you are registering with and your referral link. The first thing is that, guys, if you step on Faust's punch above this, look, he looks disabled. These are the currencies that you can earn from the site. DJ, ED Byte, Litecoin, Dogecoin, Tron, Zed, Rubble, and Solana are all currencies you can earn from. I advise you to write about Dojo Queen. Of course, because there are suspicions and complications, don't work on it. Also, I think there is a suspicion that there was one of the friends who was on it. As long as you keep the other currencies in it, also ask about all of these currencies on Google. The important thing is completeness and safety, the Solana, the Ruble, and the Tron, and these currencies too. Of course, you guys are fine. I now want to earn Tron currency. If you open an advertisement page with me, close it. He will return to the site and step on again. Oh hey guys, open the Tron coin with me. As you can see, every 10 minutes you will start taking this value. And all you are waiting for is that you are waiting for this time to end and you step on it. Of course, it will open advertisement pages for you once in a while until it starts getting you your captcha. You will step on very excellent. You are your money. Followed directly on FastMe. Okay, so I'll go to my address. This is the last case I had. I usually do this download. As long as you are young, as you can see, that is what it is. This is the Turks currency I was using. I entered my wallet in FastPay without doing anything. Come back to the site again and I start stepping on the Faust as well. This is the easiest thing. On Faust, open other currencies with me, of course. I can't do the Tron again until 10 minutes later. Make Solana. Okay, very excellent as you can see. Of course, it won't take long to open a page with you. It may open advertisements for you. You are waiting for this time as you see. That's it. open the website with you or open ads with you. This is very excellent. I confused that this value is from Satoshi. It went with the currency of Solana de Faust B. Return this to my post and do a reload. Very excellent for the length of youth. It is added to me at this value. I don't need anything. It's all easy. After you collect your dance in Faust B, I have $19 and I don't have $1. You transfer them to Binance in the same way as I can't describe. From there, you start withdrawing your profits from Vodafone Cash, and in any other way, whatever country you are in. Very excellent, guys. Okay, so let's do the Faust, and let's go, for example, it's 10 minutes. We'll wait for the second amount. The one below is very excellent. Guys, I have the value of Satoshi gone in my wallet. Why do I return the Faust? I'm reloading it. Very excellent. Oh, the profit came from my wallet or from the currency that is my currency, and why did it enter my account? Let's go to the short links. You will find it here. What is the short links? Which is the data views through the short links. You take coins with it, and of course its value is greater than the Faust. The Faust will be a little easier, but the short link, because it has such a step, the profit from it will be more. Of course, from here you choose the currency. What you and I want, for example, we want the Solana coin. This format will start giving me the steps of the Solana or the sites that I will work on, and after it is finished, it will take Solana. We can enter like this on this site. For example, of course, here you have 4x3 that are in line when you hit it with me. This is stepping on, of course. You will not find the word remove the threat. This is any security program, and we raise the level of protection so it reads the pop-up information if it is a threat. Okay, do not worry about this topic. So click on the opening with me of the pop-up information page. It will close again. I have to wait for these 6 Suwani women to finish. Of course, the page must be completed. He must complete the download until the end in order for him to start counting with me the counter of this Suwani so that she can complete her steps and return to the site again, and your profit will be posted directly on the spoiler in me. This guy's time started counting with me, Miss Suwani. The first time he finished, he came back to the jet link and came back to find the site again and told me this amount. He went to find the spoils wallet in me with the Solana currency. He came back and found the corruption in me again. This, guys, is the last thing I took. I'll start doing that. I'm sitting down to load, as you see. I showed up with my hands of the Solana currency. The last thing I pulled. You're sitting as I tell you so. A faucet will come down to you and you need coins. But when you are holding the mobile phone and you are going for transportation and you are going, it is not work, and you are sitting watching the movie Tiki Tiki Tiki. You do not need any effort, and the site wins and you win. It does not need any effort from you. And of course, as I told you, you choose from here. Of course, you choose from here the currency you want. You work with it. Let us be satisfied with the currency. Okay, why am I telling you the currency in digital currencies? I am not telling you, for example, take the you have $6 now and the currency has risen greatly. Maybe this $1 will remain $10 or $20, but if you keep it, for example, those of you who understand the topic of digital currencies will know what I'm saying. You will find that, guys, the value of the currency came from the site in the currency of the currency, on the corruption with it, and so on. After that, when you collect the amount for you on the corruption with it, you start transferring it to the Payonees, and from Payonees to Vodafone Cash, a very, very, very easy profit. Let us be in agreement that the easy profit will have a small return. So just to be in agreement, I am not going to tell you that you will earn $100. Today, I go in and tell you that there is free and easy profit. This is what I am going in to tell you. The more you work, the more profit you make. And that is how I have finished for you everything in today's explanation. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments. I will see you, God willing, in a new episode. Thank you. Peace, mercy, and blessings of God.